for you install the Mendeley, just go to Google and then type the Mendeley desktop. Okay, so dia akan keluar macam ni. So you boleh create your account. Okay, download and create your account. So how to create your account? You have to enter your email address. And then a little bit registration. And then you boleh continue with your Mendeley. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So sekarang kita ada dekat sini sekarang. Okay. Okay, so right now this is the Mendeley punya. Okay, so ini adalah Mendeley punya desktop punya software. So siapa yang dah register, you boleh just masuk je you punya email. Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Password dia macam mana? Dia tak kisah ya?
Password, okay, once kalau you dah register, password is depends on you punya email punya password. Okay, contoh kalau if you punya if you use your personal email, the password it should be your personal email punya password juga.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So any question, you can drop your question at the chat box. Okay. And also you can stop me at any time if you have any question. Okay. So let me start with the Mendeley. Okay, so this is the Mendeley desktop. Okay. By using Mendeley, we have another Mendeley website. Okay, kita pun ada Mendeley website. So Mendeley, function the Mendeley website and Mendeley desktop is a bit different, but there are same function that can be used if we synchronize the both platform. Okay, so in Mendeley desktop, you boleh log in sama je macam mana you dah register dekat dalam you punya desktop. You boleh log in, sign in the same login detail in Mendeley website. Okay, so what are the difference between Mendeley desktop and Mendeley website? So this is Mendeley website. Okay, so if you can see, this is my name, this is my library. Okay, what are the difference between this is Mendeley website and this is Mendeley desktop? There's no difference. Okay, apa yang I masukkan dalam Mendeley desktop, Mendeley website pun akan ada yang sama. Okay, so I can terus go through dengan function dalam Mendeley desktop. Okay, for the first. Okay, untuk first kali kita akan tengok macam mana kita nak masukkan. This is the article This is all my document yang I dah masukkan dekat dalam my punya library. Okay, this is my own library. So whenever you have your Mendeley, you have your own library. You create your own library. Okay, so sometimes bila kita writing paper, kita buat paper, kita ada banyak it's okay for you guys if I Manglish my language. Okay. If it is okay, okay. Alright. So the dalam Mendeley, kita boleh create kita punya library, kita punya own library. Sebab sometimes bila kita writing paper, kita ada banyak subjek area yang mana kita kena classifykan. Selalunya kita akan menggunakan kita punya own desktop untuk kita asingkan this folder for this subject, this folder for this subject. Okay. So with Mendeley, kita boleh classifykan the folder, kita boleh dividekan folder so that kita tak confuse. So at any time bila once kita dah start buat referencing, we don't have any problem with that. Okay. So first, how to add this folder in your desktop. So you can click add here. Okay, you can choose any file. Okay, you can choose any file. So the file is inside here. Okay, this is the title. This is the author. This is the title. This is the year publication. This is the publisher, and this is the date you transfer your file into the Mendeley desktop. Okay, so when you click here, you can see at the right side, we can see that this is the title of the article, and this is the author. Okay, this is the journal title. This is the year of publication. So this is the all of this is a metadata for the article, journal for the other materials. Okay, so this is the metadata. So if you want, let's say if you want to read the article, just double click here and we'll go there. Okay, you can click here, and also you can add some notes. Okay, let's say this is the problem statement. If you want to highlight this, you can highlight this. You can add note. You can put, okay, this is important. This is important keyword. Let's see. Okay, let's save here. So it will save like this. Okay, and you also can highlight here. Okay, you can highlight like this. Okay, just click the highlight. Okay. You can highlight like this. Okay. All right. So go back here. Other than that,
Excuse me.
yes.
I couldn't click on my articles. It doesn't appear like what you showed just now in the main screen. Let's see.
Which one?
Yeah. I can't get this one.
You can get this one. Okay.
Yeah.
You just highlight.
Not even the page. Not even the page come in the screen.
On your screen.
Yeah. No, I can't click and get this page appear on this. I double click the article, but it doesn't appear.
It doesn't appear.
Can you go back again? Can you go reverse?
Okay.
Okay, like this. Okay.
Okay, like this. Okay,
Yeah.
you just double click at the title and it will go there.
Oh, that one I can't do that.
Okay, you can do that. Okay.
Yeah. Why is it?
I think there's no issue, but
I
will
think
back to
you
you.
don't download the article. That's why when you double click the article, it's not appear at your window.
Yeah, I have lots of article on my Mendeley desktop.
Okay. So could the presenter go to the My Library?
Okay.
Okay. As you can see, 1, 2, 3. The number 3. Click on the number 3. It seems the number 3.
Okay.
Okay, coba you click the what is business management tu.
Okay.
Alright.
The number three is about this is from the website.
Nah, that's why
This is from the website. This is not the article that I dropped
Okay.
from my file.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Maybe that's the one that I couldn't see my page.
Yes,
So,
right.
alright.
But you can see at the right corner is
Yeah.
the metadata for the metadata.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I should download first, yeah?
Yes, you have to download first, and then you can you can drag your file into the Mendeley desktop.
Okay.
So that you can boleh buka.
Alright.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So
I'll do
function.
later.
Okay. Alright. So I move to the next step. So this is the function. You boleh masuk. You boleh highlight. So okay. This is general. This is the basic one. Okay. Next is you boleh add. You boleh go here. You boleh add folder. Okay. What is folder? Folder ni, you boleh create the folder. Okay, if you can see, I ada dua folder. Student behavior, student satisfaction. You boleh create. This is based on what you want to create. Okay, for me, I create here student, another one is student perception. Okay, maybe. You just click. You also can click folder here to create a new folder. Okay, test. Okay. And you can drop your article that related to student behavior, that related to the folder. So this is you how to manage, how to organize your library. Okay, so if you don't want the folder, you just simply can click here and delete the folder. So it will not appear anymore. Okay. So that's the another function. And to add folder, you boleh masukkan folder lah daripada you punya desktop. You can just drag you punya folder or you just add you punya folder. Okay, you just masuk you punya folder dalam ni. You nak masukkan apa, then click OK, dia masuk. Okay. Okay, next is watch folder. Okay, what is watch folder? Watch folder ni, you boleh masukkan folder ni, contoh folder I yang ni adalah folder berkaitan dengan management or business. So whenever I click OK, bila I masukkan OK dalam folder I, so apa akan jadi? Dia akan import everything yang you masukkan dalam folder tu. Let's say if you are not sign in your Mendeley desktop, and then you found the article about business, okay, for example, and then you just download your article and then put at your own desktop, your own folder in the desktop. So Mendeley can get the same whatever apa saja yang you masukkan dekat dalam folder you, Mendeley boleh dapat. Mendeley boleh tarik item yang you masukkan dekat dalam you punya folder tu. Okay, so itu semua akan jadi whenever you start sync. Okay, sync ni we synchronize semua yang kita buat dekat dalam kita punya Mendeley desktop. Okay, sama je function macam folder tadi. If you masukkan if you put your article, your item in the folder at your desktop, once you nak Mendeley call the folder, you just click sync, then everything yang you masukkan dekat dalam folder you akan masuk dekat dalam Mendeley desktop. Okay, and this synchronized function sama je bila you guna Mendeley website. So, bila you masuk dalam Mendeley website, contoh, okay, for the Mendeley website is about online. You ada internet, you online, you masukkan you punya article in here. Sama, this is the same function, okay? You boleh add manual entry, you boleh masuk macam tadi, you boleh masuk, you just add file, masukkan. Okay, so once dah ready, dah settle, you tekan this. This is the synchronize. This is the synchronize button. Okay, just click sync everything, and then you dah offline. Once kalau you buka balik you punya Mendeley desktop, dia akan appear semua dekat sini apa yang you masukkan dalam online tadi. Okay, and sama juga if you are offline, kata kalau you tak ada internet, you tak ada, tapi you ada artikel nak. Okay, let's say if you are offline, okay, and then you have article to put in your Mendeley desktop. So you want the whatever you put in Mendeley desktop, you want the sync in Mendeley website. Okay, so just drag the folder, just drag the file in the Mendeley desktop and just click sync. So everything will be synchronized your library with Mendeley web. So you can read here. Okay, synchronize your library with Mendeley web, with Mendeley website. So it will synchronize with the website. So is there any problem? Any question? Okay, no. If no, then I will proceed to the next step. Okay, next step is you can add entry manually. Okay, this one, let's say just like that, if you don't have the article, this is from the website. Okay, let's say I just Google business. Okay, this is the website, how to start a business step-by-step guide. Okay, this is the article from the website, okay, that you cannot download. So what you can do with Mendeley, here you can just change your type to the web page. You can choose anything. Okay, you can choose thesis, you can choose report or anything. Okay, for this I'm using a web page. You just okay, and then enter your title. I just copy the title. Okay. Okay, for reference, especially using APA, the most important thing is must have the author name, must have the title, and must have the year of publication. Okay, and then I just put if you don't have the or didn't have the author name, it's okay, but sometimes on the website didn't have the author name, so just put the year of publication 2020 Business New Delhi Staff. This is the publication 2020. Okay, this is depends on you. This is if necessary. Okay, this is necessary. If you feel that important to put abstract, you put the abstract. If you want to put the keyword, you can put the keyword. Okay, and the most important for the web page, if you want to get the article from the web page, must put the URL. Okay, so I just copy the URL here and put it here. Then just save, and it will save like this. Okay, so is the same. When I double click, I cannot view the web page because because this is not the file. Okay. Okay, so next step is Okay, folder. This is the same folder. Okay. Okay. If you can see the left function here. Okay, this is all document lah. This is all document. This is my recently add. This is my recently add. This is my recently read. Okay, just now I click here. I click this one. So this is my recent read. This is my favorite article or my favorite. Okay. So this article that need to review back. This article need to review back. Okay. So if you have your own publication, okay, let's say you are writing your own paper in 2019 or 2020, so you can put your own publication in Mendeley Desktop. So whenever you want to cite your own publication, your previous publication, you can just simply use Mendeley to Mendeley call that the article is belongs to you. Okay, so you don't need to add your own publication manually. Okay, this is unsorted. Okay, this is the folder that I created. Okay, say you can create your own, you can create your own folder. Okay, this is a group. Okay, I have created my group, librarian group. In my group, I just invite my colleague here, so we both can share our item together. Okay, let's say if you want to create the group, for example, group. This is 2021, for example. You just then create a group, and then you can invite other people by using their email address. For example, I'm inviting my colleague. Okay, send invite. Okay, so my friends will get the notification at her Mendeley to accept my request to join my group. Okay, so whatever we both put in our group, only me and my group members can see what are we put in our group. Okay, so that is the function lah. You can share anything. You can share anything with your group members. Okay, then if you are you can also synchronize. You can if you are not synchronized, then your group member cannot see anything. Okay. I have accept all the invitation. Okay. So next, okay, you just click sync and save the sync. So whatever it is, every time you put your file, your article, your item in here, all the group member will receive the same item. Okay. Right. So
Can I?
yes.
Can I delete whoever I invite before for this group
Group members.
yeah.
You mean your group members? Yes, you can delete. That is my friend did not accept my invitation, but you can delete. It will appear here who are your group members. So you can just click the name and just press the delete button. So it will not appear anymore.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Okay, so next we are going to plug in. Okay, how to plug in from Microsoft, how to plug in from Mendeley to Microsoft Word. Okay, so I have, this is my writing. Okay, for example, okay, if you can see, this is my citation. This is my site. I'm doing my own citing. I didn't use Mendeley reference. Okay, so do you think this is correct? Okay, this is not correct. Okay, this is the wrong. Okay, maybe the APA style is correct, but this is not using the Mendeley. And this one you have to enter you one by one lah, like this. You have to type, for example, you type right here, 2020, sorry, 2021. This is the manual. Okay, so with Mendeley, you can save your time with just one click. Okay, I just delete the citation. So what you can do is you go to tools. Okay, you can see here install Microsoft Word plugin. Okay, the install Microsoft Word plugin, install here. You will get this notification. Just click yes. Okay, oh I tak save dulu. Tak apa, tutup jap. Don't save. Okay, so they can close. You have to close first your Microsoft Word. So just install plugin. Okay, accept. So okay, you can see tadi just now we have installed Microsoft Word plugin, but now uninstall Microsoft Word plugin. When this word appear, that means you are successfully installed the Microsoft Word plugin. Okay, so let's go to the chapter 2, for example. Okay, this one let's say. Okay, can you slow a bit? Okay, I try to slow down. So all right, so this is my, I need to admit here. Okay, first. All right, so I just delete the manual citation. I just delete here. Okay, so this is my site. So how to cite it? You go to references, put inside citation, and then you can call your article. So what is the, okay, my first paragraph is from where? From article where? So let's say I just put business. Okay, let's say this, my first paragraph is from this article. Okay, let's say my first article is from this article. Sorry, tadi. Okay, let's say my first article from this okay, so I just click, then just click OK. Okay, so it appear like here. So when this is, I'm not double click, I just one click, it will show here. That means this is using Mendeley. But if I click this is my double click. This is my highlight. This is not highlight by me, but highlight by Mendeley. That means this Mahmoud 2013 is I called from Mendeley. I'm called using Mendeley. Okay. This 2015 page 9, page 97 is my manual citation. Okay, which is I have to highlight and I have to enter one by one like this. Okay, example 1, 5. This is the manual. This is the automatic. Okay, let's see. Next, we move to the next. Okay, let's say this one. Okay. Duty to act, okay, to skill, Kusuma Dewi. Okay, this one is my, I kena type. I have to type lah, like this. Kusuma Dewi, 2019. Okay, so let's say we just here insert. I just drag any. You can search. You can type keyword article. You can type author name or any keyword that related to your ni lah, to your article. Okay, let's say I choose this one. Okay. Okay, so this is this is my this is from Mendeley, and this is my own that I. All right. Okay, let's try this one. This one also. Let's delete this. Okay, let's call insert citation. Let's call from Mendeley. Student. Okay. Example, this one. Okay. Just and also you can just now we have create the group. Okay. If you want to call the item from your group, you can select this. Okay. If my library will be removed. Okay. So okay, let's say this one. Okay, this kali. Okay, insert citation. Okay, example, I choose this one. Okay, you can choose anything. Okay, I just choose my libraries because I don't have my group. My group is 0, so you just click OK. Okay, so it will call from here. Okay, so dah masuk. Okay, and then go to the reference part. Okay, this is the reference part. Okay, how do you do your reference part? Basically, if you don't know the Mendeley, you have to key in one by one. Right?
Hello,
Right.
hello.
Yes.
Nak tanya juga. Tapi kalau okay, for this one we use Microsoft Words, Microsoft Office. But other than Microsoft Office, it depends on whether they are linked with Open Mendeley, right?
Yes.
Because I'm not using Microsoft.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
So,
Thank you for the question.
so other than that, cannot link to the Mendeley.
We cannot. Okay. Thank you for your question. Actually, Mendeley cannot link to the other except for Microsoft Word because we already this function. We already installed Microsoft Word plugin.
Okay.
We already plug in from Mendeley to Microsoft Word.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. So, okay, thank you for the question. Okay, next we are going to the reference. So how do you do your own reference? So basically, student will do like this. Student will do like this. Masukkan satu-satu. Just enter, sorry. Just enter. Nanti. Then you masukkan article, the management. Okay. This is the manual. Okay. With Mendeley, you can save your time. No need to put anything. You just click insert bibliography, and everything that you put in your paragraph, everything that you have been cite in your paragraph will be appear automatically in your reference. Okay, like this. This is have been highlighted by Mendeley. So is this just simple and save your time? No need to no need to put one by one. Okay. So you can choose your style here. Let's say you want to use IEEE, then it will change directly. Also, in the paragraph also will change to IEEE. If you want to use other style, Chicago, example, it will appear with Chicago style. Okay, this is the Chicago style. Okay, but currently in AEU we are using APA 7 edition, so just click 7 edition and automatically everything, whether in your paragraph or in reference part, everything will change to APA. Okay, so any question so far? Okay, so that's only the function for Mendeley. That's only the function for Mendeley. So
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Is there any shortcut key to insert the citation or the bibliography?
the shorter. Okay, the shorter, you just click citation here. Okay, click insert citation. You can search any keyword. Okay, you can search by author. You can see here. You can search by author, title, year from your library. Okay, and also you
No,
can search. Mhm.
I'm asking that either is there any shortcut key instead of clicking on the insert citation or insert bibliography buttons?
No, there's
Isn't
no.
this option available?
There's not. There is no other shortcut. You just can go reference here and just click here. Click here. There's only the clicking by these two function. There's no
Okay, thank you.
other. Okay, welcome. All right. So um okay, just a bit review. In Mendeley also, you can find your own you can find your own article. Okay, how? Okay, we have a question. Okay, for those who are miss my class, if apa, I'm not slowing my my teaching. Actually, we are recording this session, so I will send the recording to you. So don't worry. Okay. All right. So in Mendeley also, for the reference, actually this one has been sorted by according alphabetical order. So you don't need to sort by your own. Okay. Sometimes if we are doing our own reference, our own citation, at the end, at the reference part, we um, we sort by alphabetical order manually. But using Mendeley, if you just click insert bibliography, just click here and everything will be sorted by alphabetical order. Alright. So okay, I think that's only for me. So any question regarding this? Any question? Okay. So any
Excuse
question?
me, ma'am. Can we insert the file from directly from the Google Scholar or any other database from the
Yes, you
website?
can. Yes, you can. Okay, but
Please
make sure you have
demonstrate
to.
that.
but make sure you have to download that. Okay, you have to download from, for example, if you want to find article from Google Scholar. Okay, let's see.
Yes, I have a quick question, please.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I'm a Mac user. I'm a Mac user. I'm unable to download the software from the website. I have the link, but it's not activation. It's asking for an updated version. So so does this software work on the MacBook as well, or only I need a Windows computer to work with?
Okay, this application, this software, available with everything. So, I think you have to. I think you have to update your Mac, your Mac. But actually for Mendeley also can. See. Mm, Also can download for Mac
Yes,
OS.
I have downloaded from the same website exactly this version. I've just downloaded it, but it's not working. It said that you have to update the Mendeley software. You
I
need to find
think
an updated version. Yeah.
I think you using Mac, maybe you have to find the update version of the Mendeley.
Okay, I'll try. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
All right. Back to the question about the Google Scholar. In the Google Scholar, let's see. Management accounting. Okay. I just search here. Okay. If you don't want to download this article, you also can add entry manually. You can choose web page or others, okay, or others. You can choose here, and you just put the title, the author, and you just save the record. Okay, it will appear like this. Okay, it will appear like this. Workbook chapter 1. This is from the website. Okay. But if you want the article from the Google Scholar, if you want to download the article, okay, you have to download the article first, and then you just simply drag your article and put it here. So I drag and put. So this is my other article. Okay. All right. So okay. So we back to the inquiry. Start over again from beginning if possible, just to make it short and nice. Okay. Okay, I have been informed that PhD students after this um having other webinar, right? If I'm not mistaken, PhD student having webinar after this. So I just want to quit because I don't want to disturb your time with the webinar. Okay, so I just recall back. Okay, so this is the Mendeley. Okay, to Mr. Afnan, Muhammad Afnan maybe. Okay, so I just recall back. So this is the Mendeley desktop. In Mendeley desktop, you can organize, you can manage your own references. Okay, you can simply add your file to put in your library. Okay, you can add by folder. You can watch folder. Watch folder means you sync your own folder in your desktop with Mendeley desktop. Okay, and then you can add entry manually just like this. You can choose any type, which is book section. You can choose anything, thesis, web page, and others, and then just put the metadata. This is the metadata. You just put the title, and let me remind you, for APA, the most important thing is title. You must have the title, you must have the author name, you must have year of publication. Okay, for the rest metadata, for example, for the abstract, this is if necessary, you can put it. Okay, if necessary, you can put ISBN. Okay, you can put URL. But the most important in APA must have title, author, year, and publication. Okay, and then you just click save and it will be appear here. So this is all the uh, article I have been downloaded. All right, so so you have to how to synchronize Mendeley desktop and Mendeley website. You have to log in your Mendeley in your website. You have to log in your Mendeley in your website. So every time if you are offline, you using the Mendeley desktop, and every time you have done your to put your articles, to put your item in Mendeley, just click the synchronize, and it will synchronize your library with Mendeley website. Okay. It same goes to Mendeley website. If you have done to put everything in your Mendeley website, you just click sync, and every time we synchronize from Mendeley website to Mendeley desktop. Okay, and next you have to go to tools and install Microsoft Word plugin. Okay, the word uninstall means you are successfully installed the Microsoft Word. But if the word install web importer, but if the word mean install, that means you are not installed yet. Okay, so you have to click, then it will go and it will appear uninstall. That means you have successfully installed. So just back to our writing. So this is my writing. So just click here. If I say this article, this is my manual citation. Okay, let's say I just go here, click here, and then I just go inside insert citation, and I put any keyword. Hmm, Okay, I just put any keyword, and then I put here, then I just click OK. Alright, so this one is for Mendeley. Okay, so it will appear like this. So when it's come to your references, just go to references here and just click insert bibliography, and it will appear like this. Okay, so this is all the citation that I have made from my paragraph. I just put the citation in my paragraph. So when we are go to the references, this is all the references that I have made in my paragraph. Okay, then you can choose. You also can choose by style. If you want IEEE or anything, you just can put here. Okay, so currently in AEU, we are using APA 7th edition. All right. So any question? Okay, I assume there is no question. So thank you so much. I for today, and sorry if I'm sorry if I have if ada kekurangan. I am so sorry. So thank you so much for attending my our training today. So anything you can just email to us library@au.edu.my, and then you can email to me, okay, and you also can um, contact our librarian. Yes, our reference must be one method only, that we are using APA style. Okay, Miss Kamaria, we are using APA style, so in AU, only just use one method. Okay, welcome, Catherine. So thank you so much. So stay safe, stay at home. I pray everything is well with you and your family as well in this difficult time. So until we meet again. So bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
You're welcome.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Assalamu alaikum.